everyone, welcome to Chinavision YouTube channel. I'm Ivy. Today I'm going to show you the Android Z9 smartwatch. You can search Z9 watch in Chinavision search bar, then you can find this watch. Okay, let's take a look. Here's the watch. This watch look like more like a sport watch. You can see there is the watch is in a very good conditions. You have no worry about the long journey to you. This is a user manual both in Chinese and English. This one is a magnetic charging dock. Here's the USB port. You can put it back of this stop it in the back of the watch, and then you can charge it. But now this watch is in a full power, so we have no need to charge. And this is a screwdriver. This screwdriver, it can remove the back cover of this watch. Then you can insert your SIM card. The SIM card can support the 3G band frequencies. So it is a 3G smartwatch. This is a USB cable. Okay, let's remove all this. Now let's take a look on this watch. It is a rubber band, very soft and comfortable in your hand. And this is look like a sport watch. There is a degree on the appearance and the interval. This is a power button, and this is a camera. And you can see this is a clock. But this clock, we can change the clock style. Long press the screen. The clock turns to small, and you can select the clock race you like. Let's pick this one. Cool. And it is a circle watch, but some people they like the square, and you can change it. Long press the power button, and here's you can change the screen to square. Okay, so robot. Okay. Let's put down. There is a weather projector. You need to connect the Wi-Fi before you have the weather report. And put down. Here's the calendar. Put rest. There is some features in shortcut, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can turn on your Wi-Fi immediately in here. And here is the pedometer. Okay. To be a sport watch, it has including pedometer and heart rate monitor. Put rest, we enter Android systems. It is an Android 1.1 operation systems. This watch has pre-installed many applications, social media applications such as Twitter, Skype, WhatsApp, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook. But the most important one is it has a Google Player. You can log in your Google account and download the application against your like. Load it up if you want. This smartwatch also supports smart weight. Let's try it. And do it again. It can turn to sleep mode. This application works very much. You can set up a minute alarm. such as the what's the time to drink, what's the time to take a rest, and the time to take a medicine. And you still can locate your watch. After you press the stop, the ringing, this watch can ring.